Good day, again I am Sir Leo, and today our discussion will be focused more on the trial balance. So trial balance is the third step in completing the accounting cycle. Definitely the first step that we studied also is about journalizing, where we analyze the transaction of a business and then transfer the data to the journal book, which we call the books of original entry. And then the second step is the posting, or the process of transferring the data of the ledger, of the journal rather, to the ledger. And today, uh, we are going to focus more on this word: balance, balance, balance. Since our topic is all about trial balance. When we say trial balance, it is a list of all accounts which open balances in general ledger. The balance of an account is the difference between the total of the debit posting and the total of the credit posting. Uh, Before we move on to the what we call trial balance, I have here three samples of ledgers. Kung mapapansin nyo kanina doon sa ating definition, may word tayo dun na open balances, or the accounts in the ledger that has open balance must be moved to the trial balance. Pero para mas maunawaan natin, ito yung tatlong uri ng ledger. We have ledger for account receivable, ledger for accounts payable, and ledger for notes payable. So sa ating unang sample, itong ledger na accounts receivable, it shows that if the total of the debit of an account or to an account is more than the total of the credit, the account is said to be have a debit balance. So bakit debit balance siya? It means to say na mas mataas yung total ng kanyang debit kaysa dun sa total ng credit. Kaya itong tinatawag na itong 141,700 na account receivable, ang tawag dito is open balances for account receivable on the debit side or debit balance. The second ledger naman, makikita natin yung tinatawag natin accounts payable if the credits are more than the debits. So, ito naman ay kabaligtaran noong ledger ng account receivable. The account has a credit balance. So, itong tinatawag natin, itong 170,550, ang tawag dito is credit balance of the accounts payable, wherein mas malaki yung total noong credit kaysa doon sa total ng debit. But, in the third ledger of what we call notes payable, it shows that if the debits are equal to the credits, so ibig sabihin nagpantay sila, the account has zero balance. It is said to be closed, or what we call closed account. Ibig sabihin nagpantay or nag-equal yung total ng credit sa total ng debit. So pag ganito, pag siya ay close at zero, hindi na natin ito kailangan i-transfer yung information niya, yung kanyang balance, doon sa tinatawag natin trial balance. So, sa tatlong sample natin, we have ledger for accounts receivable, we have ledger for accounts payable, we have ledger for accounts notes payable. Ang ita-transfer lang natin ay yung data ng account receivable and accounts payable, since meron itong debit balances and credit balances, or what we call the open balances. Okay, focus muna tayo dito sa right side ng ating presentation. Ito yung sample ng ating trial balance. Ano ba yung parts? What are the different parts of a trial balance? Definitely, yung una natin is name of the business or name of the owner. And then trial balance, and then date. Kung ito ba ay maaring taon, or if ang company ay nagpe-prepare ng monthly, semi-annually, quarterly report. So, depende. Ano po? Yung ating unang part is the account title. Ito yung mga yun, cash hanggang sa tax expense. We have debit column and credit columns. Ngayon, linawin lang natin. Yung pagkakasunod-sunod po, pag tayo magsusulat ng accounts title, it's again and again, ito yung pagkakasunod-sunod base sa chart of account na ang nauna syempre yung current asset, ay fixed asset rather, nauna yung fixed asset, followed by current asset, fixed liability, current liability, capital, um, personal, and then the income statement accounts, together the expenses. Ano po, ito po yung mga bumubuo doon. Pero again and again, it depends on your chart of account. Maaari din naman ang gawin kakasunod-sunod dito, para kung medyo nalilito ka, is yung kanilang account number. Kung present naman yung account number, much better na ang sundin mo sa ranking nitong mga ito o yung arrangement is yung accounts number. But do not, do not write the account number alone kasi talagang accounts title po ang isinusulat. Kung may nakakita man kayo na sa ibang reference may mga accounts number pa rin, it's okay. But at the end of the day, dapat po ay accounts title ang nakasulat dito sa trial balance. So, let's start our discussion kung paano ba ililipat ang information from the ledger to the trial balance. Sa ating right side, makikita natin dito na meron tayong ledger ng account receivable, equipment, notes payable, and change capital. So, isa-isahin natin. So, dito sa accounts receivable, may tinatawag tayo na open balances. We have 41,700 debit balance. So, paano natin siya ililipat? So, ito po yun. We have account receivable, 141,700 nasa debit siya. So, nagets po kung paano siya napunta. So, ayun, debit. Itong account, this is the account. And then, account receivable, ito po. So, another, ang gawa naman natin is yung sa equipment. Paano napunta yung equipment doon? So, sa equipment, accounts title, ayun ang ating equipment for the accounts title. We have debit balance or open debit balance na 39,500. So, po yun, nasa debit. So, 39,000. Accounts title, ito. Ayan po. So, debit. Mapansinin niyo. Next is the what we call notes payable. Nasa notes payable natin ito. So, ang ating notes payable ay merong credit balances. Ano po? Credit balances with amounting to 20,000 pesos. Kaya po nandun yung 20,000 pesos natin nasa credit kasi ito po ay nasa credit side din. Ano po? So, next, we have change capital. So, yung ating change capital, ito siya. So, meron siyang credit balance na 400,000 pesos. Credit balance, kaya siya po ay nasa credit din, 400,000 pesos. Ayan po. So, bakit sir tinawag na trial balance? So, ito po, kadalasan tinatawag dito na unadjusted trial balance. Ano po? Unadjusted trial balance or may tinatawag tayo na adjusted trial balance or post-closing trial balance. Itong ginagawa ko, when we say trial balance, lahat ng ini-entry, lahat po ng i-enter natin dito is galing yan sa tinatawag natin na ledger. Ano po? Ledger. So, again, bakit trial balance? Kailangan mo talaga siyang mag-balance. Kung mapapansin nyo, when we say trial balance, we are computing the total or the sum of the debit and the sum of the credit. And the sum of the credit side must be equal to the sum of the credit side. Ulitin niyo po, the sum of the debit side must be equals to the sum of the credit side. Kaya po 334,710.50 is equals to 334,710.50. Ito naman pong trial balance ang gagamitin natin. These accounts or these amounts ang gagamitin natin para tayo ay makapag-prepare ng tinatawag natin na financial statement. Ito na yung income statement, balance sheet, statement of changes in equity, but not statement of cash flow. Kasi yung statement of cash flow, definitely, ang ginagamit natin ng kodigo is yung ledger ng cash. Thank you at natapos na naman natin ating isang lesson o yung ating trial balance. Stay healthy, class, and don't forget to pray. Thank you.